Hey guys, this is a fun comparison with the Fine Elements 16-inch white 3-in-1 wall fan, dust fan and pedestal fan. It's in pedestal mode obviously, versus the Igenix 30-inch oscillating white tower fan with remote control. Okay, so here's the front of them. Got the side view here. Yeah, the cross on the Fine Elements is damaged, as you can see. Anyway, side view. There's the back view of them. Informations, I'll do the Igenix one first. So the Igenix is model DF0035, 220 to 240 volts, 50 Hz, made in China, with the, not the newest logo, but not the oldest logo either, Igenix logo. It's 45 watts, and I'm not sure if that's a date code or not. It might be, but it might not be. I've got the Fine Elements here. It's model COL1131. 220 to 240 volts, 50 Hz, made in China, with the Fine Elements logos. 60 watts, which is quite powerful for a fan like this. I'll just put the camera down so I can turn the Igenix around as well. Okay. Oscillation is off on the Fine Elements, and then the Igenix, I use the remote control to control it. Okay, lower that oscillation. The Fine Elements is more powerful at the moment on low. Medium, without oscillation of course. Medium, now about the same. And high. High again, they're about the same. Low oscillation on. medium, and high. Spin down, you'll only see it on the front elements though. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys, and out.